Hello guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a USB stick with Windows 10 on it. First things first, let's open a browser. From here, we'll type in Windows 10 ISO file. And you can select the first option on the search that comes up. And we'll go down and from here, create Windows 10 installation media. We'll download the tool. And as you can see, it's downloading on the bottom corner right here. So once it's complete, let's open it. And it's asking us if we want to make change to your device. We'll hit yes. And it's getting a few things ready. So for creating a Windows 10 USB, the USB has to be at least 16 gigabytes. If it's 4 or 8, it's not gonna work. It has to be at least 16. So either 16 or a 1 terabyte storage drive, either one of those work, but it has to be minimum 16. So the license and terms, we'll hit accept, and it's getting a few things ready. And once this USB is done, you can use that to install a clean version of Windows. But if you did not have the license before or product key, you'll most likely have to get the product key or the license code for that. But this is mostly if you're having blue screens or you got a new hard drive and you don't have an operating system, you can use this USB to install Windows. So we'll go with the second option, create installation media. And we'll use the default settings the way they are. We'll just leave it the way it is. Hit next. And you see right here it says the flash drive need to be at least 8 gigabytes. So mine is 16, so it should work. Let's hit next. And I've renamed the drive to Windows key, as you can see right here. And I'll hit next. And there you go. That's pretty much it. And this is how you create a Windows USB key to install a fresh copy of Windows on your computer that's having blue screen, or you got a new hard drive and you don't have an operating system. And this is free from Microsoft website. So that's pretty much it. And if you guys find this video helpful, please like and subscribe or comment below for new video ideas, and I'll see you guys next time.